Ready, set, dance. Now, I don't care what everybody's saying. I can't wait to see Sherry and the new Dancing with the Stars cast shake their moneymakers. And today, the new cast was finally revealed. So why are so many dancing stars and dancing fans upset? Joining me in New York is TV host, the sassy Megan Meaney, and Jason Dundas, pop culture correspondent for VH1's Big Morning Buzz Live. Now, competing with Sherry this season, you've got the likes of Gladys Knight, Martina Navratilova, Jack Wagner, Gavin DeGraw, to name a few. But a lot of fans online are not happy with this lineup. Some even saying it's the worst cast ever. Megan, do you think there's reason for fans to be so disappointed?
You know, it is a little lackluster, I will say. I mean, there's a few people that I'd be psyched to watch. I think I would tune into Jack Wagner just because I was a big Melrose fan. Gladys Knight, she's a big star. Okay. I don't know about the athletes, and there's an opera singer that I'd never heard of. But this show's really become more about, I mean, they should call it Dancing to be a Star than Dancing with the Stars, right?
But
because it's launching careers.
Every year, every season we hear the same thing. You know, oh, the cast isn't that great, but then you get to know them while they're dancing, and it's all good.
You still watch, right? I have to say, I love this show, and whenever I can, I do tune in. You know, some of those.
Real quick, there isn't. Just to be fair, though, there isn't a lot of controversy like they've had in the past with Chaz Bono, Bristol Palin.
Right.
Jason, do you think Dancing with the Stars could be in trouble this season without the kind of controversial figure, even though they do have Urkel?
Well, look, it's 14 seasons in, right? And for one, I am so excited to see Jaylee White get out in a pair of high-waisted pants and strut it like Urkel. I can't wait to see that. But I think to reiterate the point that you just made, I think these people will shine. And for example, Gavin DeGraw was on our show on VH1. He is a smooth crooner. That guy, when he gets on the dance floor, he's going to impress, and America's going to love him. So I think we're going to see stars be born that we didn't necessarily expect.
Megan, one-word answer, Megan. Did you know who J.R. Martinez was before the beginning of the last season?
No.
Okay, there you go. And now everyone knows him.
Case in point.
Loves him. All right.
And I watched.
Megan Meaney, Jason Dundas, you guys are awesome. Thanks so much.